So hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am an associate in Dialyzy. So in today's video I am going to talk about service level agreement, that is SLA. So a service level agreement in law is a legally binding contract between the client and a legal service provider that outlines the quality and level of legal service to be provided as well as the rights and responsibilities of both the parties. So now talking about its purpose, the primary purpose of SLA is the law to establish clear expectations and standards for legal services being provided, ensuring transparency, accountability and client satisfaction. So now talking about the scope and services of SLA, the SLA defines the specific legal services to be provided such as legal advice, representation, document drafting, research and other relevant services. The SLA sets out the performance standards that the legal service provider must meet, including deadlines for delivering services, response times and quality benchmarks. The SLA establishes measurable service levels and metrics to evaluate the performance of the legal service provider. These metrics may include the number of cases handled, successful outcomes, client satisfaction ratings and other relevant factors. So now talking about the responsibilities of legal service provider. The SLA outlines the responsibility and obligations of the legal service provider, including the qualifications and expertise of lawyers assigned, confidentiality of client information and adherence to professional ethics. The SLA also defines the responsibilities of the client, such as providing necessary information and documents in a timely manner, cooperating with the legal service provider and making timely payments for services rendered. So now talking about the dispute resolution, the SLA may include provisions for dispute resolution such as mediation or arbitration to address any disagreement that may arise between the client and the legal service provider regarding service delivery or performance. So here I am going to conclude this video, and if you guys have any doubt, just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a nice day.